Steve.
Line 1, 1,000 square feet. Line 2, 1,500. And then 20% production increase. That's not going to fit.
Steve?
Well, crunch some numbers here. They just jacked up production goals 20% across the board. HQ needs more lines running, but I'm all out of space.
And how are you going to do that?
Well, I haven't quite figured that out yet. I mean, it could be changing the line layout, or maybe it's rearranging the racking systems. Sounds like a lot of work. Steve, I get it. I was there 5 or 6 weeks ago. Needed more space for production goals. Production goals? I have a way you can stop crunching numbers, start crushing your goals. Oh, I'm all ears. Oxipital AI will optimize plant workflow while automating quality control. So you can add more lines and increase production without adding more hands. And you'll get the data in real time. We're talking actionable insights, so you're always one step ahead. Oh, no kidding? Actionable insights? Production goals? That's got a whole new ring to it. Now you're catching on.